Good afternoon. Thank you for joining us today. My name is Zach Marcy and I am the Day Camp Coordinator at the Howell Nature Center. During this video, I'm going to talk about what a typical day of camp will look like with our new COVID-19 safety procedures. We're going to give you an insight to some of our favorite camp activities, and you'll also get a glimpse of what our virtual camp experience will be like. We've been working tirelessly to prepare a plan for camp that we believe mitigates the risk factors of exposure and transmission of any germs, especially COVID-19. We are so excited to be able to offer our camp this summer. Of course, camp will look a lot different than in the past. Starting with our drop-off, every camper and all camp staff will have their temperature taken and will be asked health and screening questions. While we normally run day camp out of one of our buildings, this summer we're going to run day camp out of 6 different buildings. This will allow us to make sure that different travel groups do not mix and give us more space to really spread out during all of our activities. All activity materials will be cleaned in between use, and we have planned time between each activity for every camper and every camp staff member to clean their hands and the activity materials. Camp staff and campers will wear masks based on state and local recommendations. Like I said, at camp, your camper's going to get a chance to do a lot of awesome activities. Now, I'm going to throw you over to our first activity.
Hey guys, it's Jen. I'm over here at the waterfront. We're gonna have a lot of fun activities for our campers this year. We always make sure that they have their life jackets on before they go out. We're gonna have kayaking, canoeing, paddle boarding. We'll have our giant inflatable aqua toy again. And then this year we're gonna let our older campers go out into the deep end, off the pontoon boat, and get to jump in as well. So let's head over to our next activity.
Hey guys, we're over here at our craft corner. This year we are trying to be more sustainable with our crafts, so we will be using more recycled goods and also using nature as our inspiration. We're also trying our best to have all of our crafts fit into our fun weekly themes, and we'll be taking most of our crafts outdoors as much as possible. Now we're going to head over to our next activity.
Whoa, hey thanks! So here we are in Wild Wonders, one of the awesome activities you all are going to be experiencing at camp. So behind me we have Ralph and Aura, our 2 turkey vultures, and you'll get a chance to meet some of our animal ambassadors like Ralph up close and personal in our animal encounters. So we are so excited and we cannot wait to have you here in Wild Wonders. Now, let me throw it over to our friends for another awesome activity that you'll have a chance to do.
Hi guys, I'm Megan and I'm here at our archery fields. Campers here get to practice and learn the skills of archery. At Camp Wonder, we use the protocols and practices of NASP, which is the National Archery in Schools program. Now we're going to send it off to our next activity.
Hi everyone, Shane here at the Howell Nature Center. Currently we're out here at our zip line right now. It's a 500-foot zip line spanning over a pretty large pond as well. In order to ride this zip line, you have to wear a safety helmet, a harness, and also a zip pulley lanyard that will attach to your harness and to the zip line to keep you safe. We are so excited to see you all out here and to take a trip across the zip line. We are going to pass back to Zach now.
Welcome back. I hope you enjoyed getting a chance to check out a lot of our awesome activities. I really hope to see you at day camp this summer. Now, I'm going to send you over to Alyssa for more information about our virtual camp.
Camp Wonder at Home is a brand new virtual camp experience for the summer of 2020. Now, some of you may be wondering, what is a virtual camp? And why in the world should we sign up for it? These are great questions. Recently here at the Howell Nature Center, we had to make the heart-wrenching decision to suspend all of our in-person overnight camps for this summer. Knowing just how many lives this would affect, we knew that we had to put something in place that would help fill the void in our community. Thus, Camp Wonder at Home was born. Camp Wonder at Home is a week-long virtual camp experience. Every day, new content will be posted to keep our campers thinking, playing, and creating. Our camp days will all include a value of the day, a camp song, a live streamed activity such as acting, baking, juggling, nature hikes, animal programs, and more, a photo or video challenge to be submitted and shown later in the week, an hour to unplug from all of our technology just for a little bit in the day, a craft, a family challenge, an evening activity such as skit night, dance party, and a campfire, and story time just to wrap the whole day up. That is a lot to do in one day. And that's the entire point. Here at Camp Wonder, we want to provide you with the best at-home camp experience possible. The Howell Nature Center will be offering 3 weeks of this camp. And each week will be full of new activities. So whether you want just 1 week of virtual camp or you'd like to attend all 3, we are going to have brand new activities and something for everyone. In addition to our Camp Wonder at Home virtual camp experience, we will also be offering options to purchase limited edition t-shirts and Camp in a Box for those that don't want to go virtual or for those that just want to add something extra to their virtual camp experience. Camp in a Box will include all kinds of fun things to get you ready for summer, but the rest of the items are a mystery. Registration is now open. Just click on the link below and follow the simple steps to get you on track to be added to Camp Wonder at Home. We can't wait for you to join us on our latest adventure.